Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will introduce to you how to make rain lily flowers. Let's do it together. Materials needed: pipe cleaner, ruler, scissors, lighter, pistil, skein, wax tap, jute rope for craft, glue gun, hair iron. Step 1. Cutting the velvet. Use a hair straightener to clamp the velvet fibers until the velvet fibers flatten out. Use scissors to cut velvet into 5 cm long pieces to make petals. You can create petals of various sizes. Step 2. Shaping the petals. Hold each velvet petal over a flame briefly to singe the edges. This will slightly melt the velvet, causing it to curl and give a more natural appearance. Be careful not to burn the velvet. A quick pass over the flame is all that's needed. Step 3. Assembling the flower. Use the pistil as the center of the flower. Begin layering the petals around the center loop. Secure each petal to the center loop using a needle and thread, stitching through the base of the petal and around the wire loop. Step 4. Finishing touches. Use your hands to bend the petals to create a natural look for the flower. Wrap the wire stem with green floral tape to give it a more natural appearance. Step 5. Creating leaves, optional. Cut out leaf shapes from green velvet. Attach the leaves to the wire stem using skein. Use your hands to create a natural curve for the leaves. Step 6. Create a flower pot. Use a recycled plastic pot. Put pieces of cardboard into the pot. Use jute rope to wrap around the flower pot. Step 7. Attach flowers to the pot. Use glue gun to attach the flowers to the pot one by one. Use zinc velvet to create the surrounding background. My pot of daffodils is now complete. Hope you have a truly beautiful and creative pot of daffodils. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and follow to support my channel. Wishing you a nice day. I love all of you.